In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung TV remote not working. So the most common reason is due to the batteries not working anymore or needing replacement. So in order to replace the battery, all you want to do is you want to go to the back of your remote right over here. And then typically there's going to be a compartment right over here that you can just go ahead and gently slide off. And then over here, your batteries are going to appear. Now, the thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your batteries are put exactly like how I am right over here. Sometimes whenever you try putting in batteries, you might put it in the wrong direction, stuff like that. So make sure that you not only use the correct batteries, that you also put it in the correct direction as well. So you want to use fresh AA or AAA batteries and make sure they're inserted correctly. And anyways, what you want to do from there is you also want to go ahead and clean this area if you just recently changed your batteries and stuff like that. It's always a good idea. Sometimes dust does accumulate, so you really want to make sure that you clean it up as well. And also make sure that nothing is blocking the path between the remote and the TV's sensor. Even things like a blanket or even things like a couch or something like that could actually play a factor as well. So make sure that you are in close proximity and that nothing is actually blocking your way physically. Sometimes the TV sensor could actually be a little bit weird. So what you always want to do is you want to unplug the TV from the wall for 30 seconds, then plug it back in for a full power reset, and then check if the TV's IR sensor is blocked by a soundbar, wall mount, or TV stand or something like that. And then you should be good to go. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.